Cyber Security Expo is really important for us. We get to meet with all different levels of kind of executives, all the way from CISO down to the more tactical people. So it's great to understand kind of what they're looking for. It's actually really busy, so that's great. Everyone's really engaging, willing to come around and talk. And this is a really good event to come to because it brings together people from the big data side of things, IoT, smart technology. So it's a really good base for us.
The reason it's great is we can have business discussions and technology discussions in the right kind of environment. It's all about people ultimately, and it's where we share, we learn from other vendors, we learn from clients and prospects. That's why it's really important. We're here for the first time last year. We found it was fantastic. Atmosphere is great. Some really excellent conversations. I'm really, happy to be here.
I think the event is critical for the industry. We're in a world now where cybersecurity is essential to the daily life in which we live. Some very good conversations, some fun conversations as well. We need people to come along and join us and actually understand what's going on in the world. Upskill themselves to face the modern threats, understand what technologies that can help them, and actually build a wider cybersecurity community and understand how we can help each other.
I think the atmosphere has been very positive. Certainly the discussions we're having are all adding value both to us as a vendor and also I think to the users, and we're certainly finding the time to engage and have proper discussions. Everybody's here for a reason, they're looking for information, and we are really enjoying working with those delegates.
Opportunities like this are really important for us because actually this is a place where we can engage with other people, we can engage with suppliers, we can speak and get feedback from them about what we're doing and get ideas, so it's great.
I think the benefits of a forum such as this is that it gives such a breadth of capabilities. So whether you're a SME operating in a very small startup through to a global multinational, you can see what's on offer. It's not always about the biggest and the best, it's actually what's going to give you value, and there's plenty of that on offer here today.
People come here to learn things that they had not thought about before. They come here to network with their peers, and I have to say every time I attend an event like this I always get really, really valuable things from it, and I come away with a whole host of new people to add to my network and generating really exciting discussions.
It's an amazing event, it's huge, it's much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Great location, and I'm really looking forward to seeing where this goes.
This is a crucial event for the industry. There's a few events throughout the year that really focus on cybersecurity. We find that it's great footfall, the right kind of people that we want to speak to, not just decision makers. So the atmosphere at the show today has been wonderful. I've been at this show now, it's 2 years running. We'll sign up for next year. This is a great show for us.
So I've been coming to Cloud Expo now for about the last 10, 12 years or so, and it's great. It's really the place where you get to see a huge amount of buyers. They come along largely knowing what they're coming from when they walk through the door, but the main thing for us is really trying to get those buyers that you can just grab them on the stand and you get that level of interaction that you don't really get from where it's online marketing or where you're trying to do direct marketing. More often than not, there's a valued conversation there.
There's some very interesting companies here that I haven't seen before or met before, so it's nice to put names and faces to email addresses, and which normally that's the only way you communicate. So I would say it's been interesting, informative, and there's plenty more for me to see, which I'm going to do in the next couple of hours.